Good afternoon everyone. I am Sakshi Jain from Rock Gold Academy. Today we will discuss about Chapter 2 Personalizing Windows 10 Environment of Class 5th. Introduction. Microsoft Windows is a popular operating system available for platforms such as desktops and tablets. It is developed and released by Microsoft. Famous versions of MS Windows include Windows XP, Windows 7 and Windows 10. Windows 10 is the latest version of MS Windows. Features of Windows 10. Windows Hello, a biometric based security system which allows fingerprint access and facial recognition. Second, Microsoft Edge, a new default browser. Third, Cortana, an intelligent personal virtual assistant. It takes voice commands as well as written commands. Fourth, Paint 3D, a new application for drawing. Using desktop. There are following steps to personalize Windows using desktop. Step first, right click anywhere on the empty space on the desktop. Step second, select the personalize option from the context menu. Step third, the settings windows appears with different options such as background, colors, themes and fonts. Background. You can change the background of the Windows desktop. You can place a picture or even use slideshow as a background. Colors. You can change the color scheme of the start menu and other windows. Themes. Themes provide us with a fast way to change the look and feel of Windows 10. It includes background, images, color, accent and sounds. Icons. Icons are small pictures on the desktop that represent an object or a program. The commonly used icons based on GUI such as: first, this PC. It provides you with available drives and their different contents on exploring. Second, recycle bin. It is just like a dustbin for holding deleted files and folders. Third, network. It consists of shared drives on different computers. Fourth, shortcut icon. It provides a path to access a specific application that is not actually on the desktop. 5. Application icon. It consists of graphical images for accessing a specific application or program. And the last one is document icon. It is an active document window of an application. Taskbar. The taskbar is available at the bottom on the screen. It has the start button on the extreme left. The peek button is used to quickly go to the desktop and is located at the extreme right. Start menu. Start menu in Windows 10 is a mix of the start menu of Windows 7 and the start screen of Windows 8. Clicking on it reveals two panels. The left panel with all the applications and the right one with live tiles. Universal apps of Windows 10. It is also known as the Universal Windows Platform apps are those apps that you can use on all Microsoft Windows platforms such as personal computers, smartphones, etc. Live tiles. Live tiles are the blocks of category create, play and explore that open on clicking on the start button and display information by opening app at a glance. We can even resize and move a tile to a different location. Resizing tiles. There are following steps to resize a tile. Step first, she right clicks on a tile, a dialog box appears. Step second, she asks Joan to locate the option resize just below unpin from start. Step third, Joan clicks on it, a context menu appears which contains different size available to choose from small, medium, wide and large. Turning off live tiles. There are following steps to turn off the live tiles. Step first, Minnie right clicks on a live tile to turn it off. A dialog box appears. Step second, Srivastav asks her to click on more and another dialog box open. Step third, it clicks on turn live tile off, displaying multiple windows at time. There are following steps to display multiple windows at a time. Step first, she opens two different applications, this PC and MS Word. Step second, she now right clicks on the empty space of the taskbar. Step third, a menu appears. Srivastav clicks on show windows side by side. Step fourth, the application windows gets displayed side by side. Exploring pictures. Windows 10 has introduced a new application, Photos, for exploring pictures. It organizes our pictures and has editing tools for image enhancement and allows us to share pictures using platforms such as social media and email.